Ever wonder what really happens to all that steam, smoke, and grease when you're cooking? Most of us don't think twice about it. We wipe down the counters, maybe crack a window, and call it good. But here's the truth. There are some quiet, unsung heroes inside your kitchen doing the real heavy lifting, your range hood filters. And today, I'm gonna show you why they matter, how to take care of them, and why ignoring them could be one of the biggest mistakes you make in your kitchen. Every time you cook, even something as simple as boiling pasta, you're releasing particles into your kitchen. Add in frying, sauteing, or grilling, and suddenly you've got smoke, steam, grease, and odors filling your kitchen. Your filters are the first line of defense, and you have two options: metal filters, which are baffle, or mesh, and it settles on your cabinets and walls. And without them, your hood would literally be sucking sticky grease into your motor, which is a recipe for disaster. And then you also have your taco filters, found in ductless hoods that work like sponges for your odors. They help keep your kitchen smelling fresh by absorbing those lingering food smells that like to hang around after dinner. So filters aren't just accessories, they're really the heart of your hood's performance. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but what happens if I just forget about them? Well, first, the obvious. Dirty filters don't catch grease as well. That means your air gets dirtier, your cabinets get grimy faster, and your hood isn't really doing its job. But there's more. First, better air quality. Clean filters means you're not breathing in leftover smoke and grease particles. Also, they reduce fire risk. Believe it or not, a grease-saturated filter can actually catch fire. Keeping them clean is one of the simplest fire prevention steps you can take. Remember that filters are crucial for a fresher smelling home. Ever walk into a home and smell what they cooked yesterday? That's a filter problem. And they can actually prolong your appliance life. When your hood has to pull air through a clogged filter, the motor strains. Clean filters help your hood last longer and run more quietly. So the benefits aren't just about cleanliness. They're also about safety, comfort, and saving money in the long run. All right, let's get into the how. For metal filters, plan to clean them about once a month. If you do a lot of frying, maybe every couple of weeks. The easiest method is soaking them in hot, soapy water. With a little baking soda or degreaser, let them sit for about 10 minutes. After soaking, scrub gently with a soft brush, rinse, and dry completely before putting them back. But here's a bonus tip. All of our metal filters are dishwasher safe. Just pop them into a gentle cycle and they'll come out ready to go. For charcoal filters, they can't be washed. Once they're dirty, they're done. Plan to replace them every 3 to 6 months, depending on how often you cook. If you're big on spicy foods, lots of frying, and cooking with strong flavors, you might need to swap them out even sooner. While you're at it, take a peek at your hood's blower and motor. If grease builds up in there, it can affect performance. Clearing your filters regularly can help keep the whole system running smoothly. The hardest part isn't cleaning, it's remembering. Here are a couple of tricks to help you remember. Set a monthly reminder on your phone. Treat it like changing your air filter at home or swapping batteries in a smoke detector. Or pair it with another kitchen routine. For example, every time you deep clean your counters or mop the floor, pull out the filters too. And once it becomes a habit, it takes less than 10 minutes. And you never have to deal with that oh no moment of pulling out the filter caked in grease. Here's the bottom line. Range hood filters may not be flashy, but they're essential. They're protecting your air, keeping your home safer, and making your kitchen a place you actually want to spend time in. So don't forget them. Take a couple of minutes this week to pull out your filter, give them a clean, or replace them if it's time. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your kitchen healthier, fresher, and safer. Trust me, your kitchen filters may be hidden, but they're the ones making sure your kitchen really works for you. And if you want more details like step-to-step instructions, product tips, and replacement guides, we've got it all waiting for you on the ProLine blog. But if you're ready to find the perfect range hood for your home, make sure to go to our catalog at ProLineRangeHoods.com. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking! time.